Thank you for watching Ebony Ladies in the DR. I'm your host, Bridget. Bienvenidos a mi canal. Today is time for a little bit of Spanish. Okay, as y'all know, in Punta Cana, it has been raining consistently for probably over the last week. And we noticed that we had a little leak at the front of our house because around one of the windows there's rain. So I had to call a contractor. But get this. El contratista llega temprano, es un milagro. One more time. El contratista llega temprano, es un milagro. So what I said is the contractor is coming early. It's a miracle. Woo, y'all, I am so happy. I thought my whole day was just going to be wasted this morning. I wasn't going to be able to get out and enjoy the sunshine. But the contractor is coming early. It's a miracle. El contratista llega temprano, es un milagro. So that is our little bit of Spanish for today. He should be here any minute. I am happy. I hope you all have a wonderful day today. And don't forget, Thursdays are the regular episodes, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Please continue to like, subscribe, and share to the channel. And share the channel and hit your notification bell so you can get your little bit of Spanish. El contratista llega temprano, es un milagro. The contractor is coming early. It's a miracle. All right. Thank y'all for joining me. Have a wonderful, wonderful day.